Why rent space in someone else's cloud when you can own it yourself? Today we're exploring Nextcloud, the open-source platform that delivers enterprise-grade file sync, collaboration, and photo backup without sending your data to big tech servers. Think of it as Dropbox plus privacy plus control, all running on hardware you own. Nextcloud was forked from OwnCloud back in 2016 by Frank Karlitschek, and it quickly became the open-source answer to Google Drive and OneDrive. But this isn't just about nostalgia for self-hosting. There's a powerful shift happening right now toward data sovereignty. Governments are enforcing regulations like the EU's GDPR, and enterprises require that sensitive information stays under local control. For developers and content creators, Nextcloud means no storage quotas, no ads, and no analytics tracking your every move. It's cloud freedom without compromise. So why is self-hosting having such a resurgence now? Rising cloud costs combined with stricter privacy laws are driving people back to personal servers, and the barrier to entry has never been lower. Nextcloud's Docker and Snap packages make deployment accessible to everyone, not just system administrators. You don't need a data center. You just need a machine running Ubuntu in about 20 minutes. Let's start with the prerequisites. Nextcloud depends on 3 pillars: a web server, a database, and a PHP runtime. First, update your system with sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Then install the essentials: snapd, Apache 2, MySQL Server PHP, and libapache2 mod PHP. These components work together to serve your files and handle requests. A quick tip here: use PHP 8 with OpCache enabled for the best performance. It makes a noticeable difference when you're syncing large photo libraries or handling multiple users. Now comes the magic. Installing Nextcloud via Snap is almost too easy. Run sudo snap install Nextcloud, and within seconds, Apache and MySQL instances launch under Snap supervision. The Snap package auto-configures HTTPS via Let's Encrypt and handles updates through channels, similar to how MicroK8s manages Kubernetes. Canonical's Snap ecosystem has unified how self-hosted apps install on Ubuntu, making it consistent whether you're deploying Nextcloud, MicroK8s, Crack, or RocketChat. Once installation completes, open your browser and navigate to localhost/Nextcloud. You'll see the setup wizard. Create an admin user and point Nextcloud to the local database. It's straightforward. Admin credentials, database selection, and you're done. Your data gets stored under var/snap/nextcloud/common/nextcloud/data. After a quick login, you'll see the web dashboard with files, photos, calendar, and talk apps already enabled. It feels like a commercial cloud service, except you're looking at your own server. But let's take it further. You probably want to add external storage and enable remote access. Use the OC command line tool to create external storage mounts. For example, you can link a mounted drive with nextcloud.occ, files external, create. Then, enable HTTPS for secure LAN access with nextcloud.enable HTTPS. You can use a self-signed certificate for local testing or configure Let's Encrypt for public access. This is crucial in today's hybrid work environment. Nextcloud bridges home servers and corporate VPNs with federated sharing, letting teams collaborate without relying on third-party platforms. Performance and backups are where Nextcloud really shines for long-term use. Set up cron jobs to handle background tasks like file indexing and thumbnail generation. This keeps the interface snappy even as your library grows. For backups, Nextcloud supports snapshots with simple export and import commands. Run sudo nextcloud.export to create a snapshot and sudo nextcloud.import to restore it. Snapshots make rollbacks instant, which is perfect when you're testing new plugins or major upgrades. You can experiment without fear. In a world where we're constantly renting storage from faceless corporations, Nextcloud puts you back in control. Your data, your rules, your cloud. You decide who has access, where it's stored, and how it's backed up. There are no surprise price hikes, no terms of service changes, and no one mining your files for ad targeting. Freedom isn't in the cloud. It is the cloud you own. If you're ready to take back your digital sovereignty, Nextcloud is the tool that makes it possible. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best cloud is the one you control.